Welcome to our educational tutorial on how to easily download HotTunnel files, which will greatly enhance your internet experience. We will explore the significance of HotTunnel Plus, along with the introduction of a new app called HotTunnel Files that simplifies the process of file creation. Let's delve into the details. Part 1. Understanding the importance of HotTunnel Plus. HotTunnel Plus is a remarkable application that offers secure, encrypted connections, safeguarding your online activities and preserving your privacy. It facilitates optimized internet browsing and enables users to get improved internet connections. Part 2. Simplifying file creation with HotTunnel Files. HotTunnel Files is a user-friendly app designed to streamline the process of creating HotTunnel files, making it easier and more accessible for users. This eliminates the requirement of manual file creation and offers ready-to-use files with the .hat extension. Step 1. Download and install the HotTunnel app. Commence by downloading and installing the HotTunnel app, which will serve as the platform to use the downloaded files. Step 2. Download and install the HotTunnel Files app. Next, download and install the HotTunnel Files app, specifically developed to simplify the acquisition of HotTunnel files. Step 3. Launch both apps. Open both the HotTunnel app and the HotTunnel Files app on your device. Step 4. Browse and locate desired files. Within the HotTunnel Files app, you will find a homepage featuring an assortment of different files, each labeled with the .hat extension. Step 5. Manual file search or filter by country/network. To facilitate the process, you have two options. First, manually browse through the files to locate your desired one. Alternatively, employ the search bar within the app to search based on your country or network name and filter the results accordingly. Step 6. Select and download your chosen file. Take your time to select the desired file from the list. Once you have made a selection, tap the download button next to the file to initiate the download process. Step 7. File download and location. The downloaded file will be automatically saved in the designated download folder on your device. Step 8. Utilize the downloaded files. Now, with the downloaded HotTunnel file on hand, open the HotTunnel app and import the file by following the import process provided within the app. This will enable you to leverage the optimized settings and enjoy an enhanced internet experience. Congratulations! By following these educational steps, you have successfully downloaded HotTunnel files using the HotTunnel Files app. These files will empower you to optimize your internet connection within the HotTunnel app. Feel free to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and updated information. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving comments. That concludes our educational tutorial on how to easily download HotTunnel files. We hope you found this tutorial informative and valuable for your understanding. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and may your internet experience be greatly enhanced with HotTunnel and HotTunnel Files.